Hey folks, this is Randy Wildhorse. I'm at the Clearwater County Long Lake Park, Minnesota. Here's the Long Lake mail pickup here. And right here, this is the Continental Divide. I know. I'll keep the camera straight. I know. Otherwise, they'll complain in the comments. Yeah, I feel sad. Okay. I guess this is where they cook their food and stuff. Okay, oh, that's for camping. Okay. Look at that payphone. Wonder if it still works. Hey, it works. I like that. No change. You change very often in payphones anyway. Looks like I'm near the. Let's see, where am I? I don't remember. Okay. Game room closed. Coronavirus. This is where all the camping is here. Somebody camping. There's where the bridge is over here. Yeah, I'll show you Wildhorse. That's what the bridge looks like here. Not much for steps, but my long legs, I should be able to get up there easy. Picnic tables. Alright, park like this looks interesting. A couple of trees went down. Somebody could have a picnic, or a person can take the trail down. Okay, watch my step. Okay. I haven't been in the woods like this for years. Oh, it's gonna be a fall. Hi. Ooh, look at this. Be careful here so I don't fall down and say ow. I said ow more than enough in life. So, okay. See, this is close for the season. It's a fish cleaning house here. A person can go clean their fish. Which I can, let's see. Wonder if I can go in. Nope, they locked the door. Sorry about that. I'm not going to break in either. No thanks. Park Beach closes at 10. I'll be out there way before. So isn't this beautiful? I'll show you the boats here, Wild Horse fans. I don't want to take a boat unless I know for sure I can, because otherwise, let's see, no diving or jumping off the pier. No worry there. No worry there. I feel like I'm going to fall off the pier. Whee! Ah! Oh boy, this is weird. Look at that. See that people? Look at that. Whee! Ah! I'm getting here sick. Through the water, does it look clean? Yeah, a lot of heck. Going through the dirt. This is here where people play horseshoes. There's a spot and play basketball. There's a park here. I think it's supposed to be a boat or something, I don't know. See what it is. It's tic-tac-toe here. That's where the kids are playing with oh, what do you call it? I don't know. Swing sets here. Pit there. Here's a picnic area. Look it up. Use it for fireplace or use it for spur here. You're gonna have to probably shut off to read this. I hope you can read it. If you can't, I apologize. I mean, the whole thing will take a while. For Clearwater County Long Lake Park, so it's Randy Wild Horse, and as always, have a wonderful day.